Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe. Hit the subscription button, and to my returning subscriber, thank you very much. So today I have an amazing guest. I want her to introduce herself.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mary Kimani YouTube channel. Kama huja subscribe, make sure you subscribe to her channel.
So today we are doing a Would You Rather game challenge. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Let's go direct to the video. Question number 1. What is my favorite hobby?
I think it's traveling.
Traveling, yeah, umepata.
Yeah. Mary, question number 2. If I would travel anywhere in the world, where would I go?
Maldives.
What? Kwani unanijua hivyo madam?
Yeah, we are friends, we must know each other. So, what is that one thing I can't live without?
I think it's a family.
A family?
Yeah.
No.
My life?
I can't live without food.
Food.
Yeah, food. I like eating.
But you know, food ni lazima. It's a must.
That is, I have said what is one thing I can't live without. Siwezi kosa kukula. Because nikikosa kukula. Yeah.
Mary, question number 4. How do I like doing during my weekend?
You love watching movie.
Yeah, I like watching movie, but not really what I like most.
What do you like most?
Yeah, doing during my weekends.
See, going maybe for vacations. Yeah.
You get me, girl. You get me.
Wow. Then, what is my favorite type of music? Or who is my favorite artist? And who is my favorite artist? What is my favorite type of music? And who is my favorite artist?
I think country music.
Country music? No.
I very you
have stayed for all that long and you don't know.
Basi niambi unapenda gani? Which one?
But who is my favorite artist? My favorite artist.
Basi mngeniambia who your favorite song. Ndio nijue artist.
Basema.
Nani?
What is my favorite type of music?
Hata wewe ujijui.
I love listening gospel songs.
Gospel.
Yeah. And who is my favorite artist? Shiro GP.
Of course, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Haya, Meli. Hapo mtu atakata kieti. Hii inasema do you perform?
Question number 1. Would you rather have a job you love with low pay or a job you hate with low pay?
Better a job you love with low pay.
With low pay? So, same to me, I would choose that one.
The second. Would you rather be able to remember every days of your life or forget everything from the past year?
I would rather remember everything in my life.
Why?
Because once you don't have memory, you can be a zuzo. So, would you rather always have perfect weather or always have perfect sleep?
Perfect weather.
Why not perfect sleep? Me, I would
sleep
every
time.
Have a perfect sleep.
No.
So.
Would you rather? I am never be able to use social media again or never be able to watch TV and movies again.
I would rather never to watch TV and movie again, but social media
forever.
No, I would rather use social media but not TV. Yes. I'm saying, would you rather never eat your favorite food again or only eat your favorite food for the rest of your life? He is asking, would you rather never eat your favorite food again, usikule chakula zenye unapenda, or only eat your favorite food for the rest of your life?
Well, I would rather eat my
Me too.
favorite food forever.
Forever.
Yeah.
Me, I would rather not eat.
Why?
I would rather eat my favorite food.
Okay.
Yes.
Haya, would you rather have summer or year around or such a ingine? Would you rather have to wear wet socks all day or wear socks to size too small?
I would rather wear socks which are too small than a wet nini. Cause once you wear a wet shoe, you're gonna get nini. Kuho. It's my turn. So, nakuuliza, would you rather have a voice like a cartoon character or laugh like a silent? Let me repeat. Would you
Have a hope in